know, it's absolutely lovely to be here. It's fantastic to be in the Netherlands. It's my first time in Miller's, and I've just walked in here. The place looks great. The vibe is very, very upbeat. The sound is perfect. I'm really, really, really looking forward to tonight. For tonight, Miller's seems to be a real house club. There's lots of beautiful girls, there's lots of guys, everyone's come out to party. So I think tonight we're going to play real funky, real sexy, real dirty house, and we're just going to build it and build it and build it. I think for the rest of the year, you guys have an amazing schedule planned. You've been talking over dinner about some of the acts that you'd like to have over. I've got, of course, Garrett Cook and Nick Leonard with me this evening, who are the two best bookers at Ministry, and no doubt you guys are going to come together and organise a fantastic lineup. So 2011 for Ministry of Sound in the Netherlands is going to be bigger and better than ever.
Ja, het is een leuk concept. Nogmaals, Ministry of Sound is een grote brand. Ja, ze zijn een van de in beginjaren begonnen ze al. Dus het concept loopt al jaren mee. Het trekt altijd veel leuke mensen op. Dat doen ze veel in Ibiza als in de wereldwijd. Dus het is ja, gewoon een goede brand, een goed concept. Zeker.